Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead on this Friday evening. And as we look at a live view, at least live as I record this, you can see at sunset we do have quite a few clouds. We do have some showers still ongoing across parts of the Arklatex. In fact, a few sprinkles falling here at the station as I record this. So let's give you a look at pinpoint Doppler. And you can see that the vast majority of what's left of the rain still falling over mainly the northern sections of the Arklatex, some here in Red River County, also some north of DeQueen. Another pretty good thunderstorm, which is now ongoing further to the east here in Hempstead County. That is slotting its way for the most part towards the south. As this activity not really moving very much as it is pretty much stationary. That's been the case here as we've gone through the afternoon, and probably during the weekend we're going to be looking at some slow movers as we'll be watching a disturbance which is you can see a pretty good cluster of thunderstorms to our north right now. This will head southward and invade the Arklatex, at least the northwestern sections of the area, before it falls apart early tomorrow morning. Let's check that out with the very latest run of Robbins Toyota Futurecast, and you can see the rain moving into the northern sections of the area that very quickly falls apart, and then more scattered showers and thunderstorms will develop tomorrow afternoon. That activity will gradually end tomorrow night, and then going through Sunday, we will more than likely see some more scattered showers and thunderstorms develop across the region. Now we will see some very wide margins and a big variability on how much rain could fall from place to place. Some of you may see amounts less than 1/4 of an inch. Some of you could see totals that eclipse 2 to 3 inches. These are going to be slow movers, so if you get 1 or 2 that develop over you, you have the potential of seeing some decent rainfall just during the weekend and Sunday night, and then rainfall chances should diminish somewhat late next week. Here's a look at that weather pattern, and you can see the weakness which is going to form here by the time we get to the beginning of next week. You see the trough over the middle of the country here. This is what's going to be responsible for our rainfall chances this weekend, as the upper level ridge that has been keeping us dry gets basically nudged out of the way, so to speak, and allows the rain to occur. However, the ridge will try to redevelop here across the southern sections of the country late next week. You can see it stretching right in this area from South Texas into the mid-Atlantic. That will greatly, temporarily reduce our rain, but this disturbance here is going to slide its way towards the south and east, and it will enhance our rainfall chances for the weekend. Now, as far as the tropics, we do have 2 disturbances we are watching. Obviously, Tropical Depression Fred, still expected to strengthen to Tropical Storm Fred once again. Landfall expected over the panhandle of Florida. More than likely that will occur as we look ahead to Monday. Should be a fairly strong tropical storm when it does so, with max winds at 60 miles per hour. This will not bring any impacts to our area. We also have Tropical Depression 7, which is very soon going to become a tropical storm. Notice I've left Fred's track on here that what will be Grace will take a path very similar, maybe a little bit further to the east. So the way it looks right now, this one also will not pose an impact on our weather here across the Arklatex. So let's summarize your forecast. Beginning with tonight, we will see again some rain increase across the northern sections of the area late. Temperatures will fall into the low to middle 70s across the region. And then tomorrow, all of us will have a good shot of some scattered showers and thunderstorms. It will be hot, but not as hot as we've seen recently, with highs in the low to middle 90s. And your 10-day forecast shows that all of the area will see well below normal temperatures Sunday and Monday, when highs retreat to the upper 80s to lower 90s. Notice that as we go through the middle and last half of next week, that we will see the rain become much more isolated, and as a result, temperatures will warm back up into the mid-90s. But here comes that next disturbance next weekend, which will once again elevate our rainfall chances and perhaps cool us off just a bit into the low to middle 90s. So all in all, it looks like rain on the increase this weekend, temperatures on the decrease. That will last into next week with kind of some ups and downs. Warmer temperatures late next week with another chance for rain as we look ahead to next weekend.